Is it possible to monetize Pictory videos? The short answer is yes, but keep in mind there are those who create videos, but fail to share interesting content. As far as the use of AI voices, the use of AI voices feature aligns with YouTube's monetization policies, granted that the content is original and contributes value. Tools such as Pictory can efficiently transform pre-existing content, such as blog posts, into compelling videos. But let's be honest, when it comes to content creation for the use of YouTube videos, it can take a long time to complete one video without this type of assistance. I know firsthand, because I created videos in the beginning using stock video, and it took a great amount of time to get everything together. Additionally, integrating realistic AI voices into your video projects is made seamless through the ElevenLabs integration. YouTube prioritizes content quality, and the method of production, including the use of AI voices, does not inherently impede monetization. The ultimate decision rests with YouTube, but as long as your content delivers value to the audience, utilizing AI voices should not hinder your chances. It's essential to recognize that quality is paramount, regardless of the production method. There are instances where people produce subpar content, AI or not, and face monetization challenges. The key takeaway is that yes, you can monetize, but quality is pivotal. Some may create content lacking substance and complain about monetization denial, failing to realize that the issue lies in the quality of their output. So we've talked about what you should be aware of in terms of using Pictory to your advantage for YouTube monetization. If concerns arise about AI voiceovers, you have the option to use your own voice, providing flexibility and personalization. If you have further questions or thoughts, feel free to share them in the comments. For those interested in exploring Pictory, there's a link in the description for a free trial. Wishing you a great day ahead.